Welcome back to music class. Today we're going to be discussing chords. But before we do that, we'll need to know how keys work. A key tells you which notes to play. There are 12 musical notes, and most keys use 7 of these notes. You can find between 0 and 7 of these, or these at the beginning of a piece to tell you which key to play in. Looking at this list of keys, you might feel inclined to say that there are 15. Well, a couple of these do mean the same thing, but there are actually 84. For example, this could be C major, A minor, or really whatever you want. This is based on the mode you choose. Here's a list of modes. As you can see, they have fun Greek names, but you probably won't use any of these modes, and you can refer to the ones left by their unfun names, major and minor. Now that we've gone over keys, it's time to move on to chords. Starting off, we have a major chord. You can make a major chord by taking the first, third, and fifth notes of a major scale, and you can make a minor chord by doing the same to a minor scale. Using the 7 notes of a scale, you can make chords out of them which fit the key. These include major first, minor second, minor third, major fourth, major fifth, minor sixth, and diminished seventh. If you're writing pop music, however, I advise you to stick with these chords, or else it might sound a bit too interesting. There are also things called augmented chords, which are like major chords, but you accidentally play the 5th note a bit too high and it doesn't sound like a major chord. There are different things you can do to chords, like suspending them up, down, or even both. A lot of time people add either major 7ths or dominant 7ths to chords. This makes sense for the most part, but if you want to make a diminished 7th chord, ignore the actual notes that are considered 7th and add the major 6th instead. 7s are cool, but so are 6s, 9s, 11s, really any combination you can think of. The truth is, with chords, you can do whatever you want, and there's maybe a name for it. Now, you're probably thinking, with all these chords, how do I choose which ones to use? Just use these ones, it'll save you time.